In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace. This is especially useful if someone was removed by mistake, or if you suddenly realize you still need access to that person's emails, drive files, or other data. We'll go step by step, keeping things clear and simple so you know exactly what to click and what to look out for. First, you need to get to the Google Admin Console. This is the central place where administrators manage users, groups, and settings for the entire organization. Open a web browser and sign in with an account that has admin permissions. Regular user accounts won't be able to complete this process, so make sure you're using an admin login. Once you're signed in, go to the Admin Console homepage. From here, you'll use the main navigation menu to find your list of users. In the top left corner of the Admin Console, click the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. When you click it, a side panel will open, showing a list of sections you can manage. In that side menu, hover over or click on Directory. The Directory section is where Google stores everything related to people and groups in your organization. Under Directory, click on Users. This will open the main users page where you can see all of the active accounts in your domain. Right now you're seeing active users, but you need to find one that has been deleted. Google Workspace keeps deleted accounts for a limited time so you can restore them if needed. On the users page, look for an option related to deleted users. Depending on your current admin console layout, you'll typically see either a recently deleted users link, or you may see a more options icon represented by three vertical dots, often called the three-dot menu. If you see a link that says recently deleted users, click on that. This will take you to a list of user accounts that were removed recently but are still restorable. If instead you see the three-dot more options menu, click that icon, and from the menu that appears, choose recently deleted users or a similar option that brings up the deleted users list. Once you're on the recently deleted users page, you'll see a list of accounts that are eligible for recovery. Look for the specific user you want to restore. You can usually sort or search within this list if you have many deleted accounts. When you find the correct user, click on their row to bring up their details and available actions. On the user's details or action menu, look for the option to recover or restore the account. The wording may vary slightly, but it will be something like restore user or recover user. Click that option and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm. Google may ask you to confirm organizational unit placement or some basic settings, so review those and accept them. After confirming, Google Workspace will begin restoring the account. The user's email, drive files, and other connected services will be reinstated as long as you're still within Google's retention period for deleted users. Once the process completes, the account will move back into your regular active users list, and the person will be able to sign in again with their usual credentials or with any updated password you set as an administrator. That's all you need to do to recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace, starting from the admin console and using the directory and recently deleted users options.